Welcome to the Tucson Unified School District and the new Employee TimeClocks Plus portion of onboarding. The Tucson Unified School District uses the TimeClock Plus timekeeping system to help ensure that all hourly staff are compensated for the time they work. This presentation will go through how to use the TimeClock system. First, let's review where an employee can go to use the time clock. An employee has the option to use either the kiosk or the web version of the time clock system. Each site location should have a kiosk available near their main entrance. If you cannot locate it, please make sure you ask your site supervisor or office staff for directions. You can also access the time clock system by logging onto any computer on the network. Most web browsers will open up to our district's intranet page, but if not, simply type in intranet in the address bar and hit enter. From here you can select the time clock link across the top ribbon or the clock in clock out link on the right hand side. Next, let's discuss how you clock in and out. Hourly employees must report any time worked using the time clock and must clock out for lunch. Using the kiosk, the employee should enter their 6-digit employee ID number in the badge field and select enter. If an employee has multiple job codes, they will need to select job code and choose the appropriate description. Click continue to proceed and always remember to log out to complete the punch. Using the computer, simply type in your 6-digit employee ID and click on the desired action. Employees are responsible for their own pay, which is why it is very important for employees to regularly verify their timesheet. This should be done weekly at the minimum, but daily is ideal. This will allow time for you to work with your supervisor to fix any discrepancies before the deadline to be paid. To approve timesheet entries on the kiosk, an employee will need to enter their 6-digit employee ID, select enter, then select self-service. Once there, you can select view hours and review all punches for that week. To approve hours, simply click on the left of each individual segment, then close, cancel, and finally log out. To approve timesheets on the computer, the employee will need to log on to Dashboard using their 6-digit employee ID. Using the navigation bar, click View, then View Hours to review all shift segments. Employees will need to approve each time segment using the E column. If there are any corrections to be made, a time edit form will need to be submitted to the direct supervisor immediately. Employees who forgot to clock in or out during their shift have the ability to correct any missed punches. The system automatically recognizes any missed punch and will prompt the employee to fix it. During your next punch, the system will automatically recognize a missed punch and will prompt you to fix it. On the kiosk, you must select Continue, then Edit to enter the correct date and time and select AM or PM. The system will default to today's date, so be sure to change the date to the day of your missed punch. Press OK and continue to proceed. Always make sure that any prompts you receive in the time clock will have the correct name displayed, then click Continue. On the web dashboard, click Continue, then Edit to enter the correct date and time for your missed punch. The screen will show your last punch on top for your reference. Please complete all fillable fields to reflect the correct date, time, and always provide a short reason for the missed punch under Notes. Click Continue to submit. Please be sure to review the summary screen to ensure all information is accurate before you proceed. Select Continue. You will receive a confirmation to indicate the clock operation was successful. Falsification and tampering is strictly prohibited. Employees found in violation may be subject to immediate disciplinary action up to and including termination. Employees should always use a time clock responsibly to accurately capture time worked. For more information and resources on how to use the time clock, please visit the district's intranet page. Make sure you are communicating with your direct supervisor regarding any problems with the time clock. Thank you for taking the time clock portion of onboarding. Now please proceed to the time clock quiz under topic number 2. You must pass with a score of 80% or higher in order to complete this portion of onboarding.